Let's install Angular CLI on Ubuntu 20.04. For that, let's open up the terminal. The prerequisite to install Angular CLI is the system must have npm installed. Npm is a node package manager which gets installed when you install Node.js. So I already have npm installed. Let's just check the version for the same. Now let's just type out the command that we require to install Angular CLI. In Ubuntu, to get Angular CLI installed, we have to run it with the access of the root user. For that, we have to prefix the command with the sudo keyword, then npm install g for global, and we can just say angular/CLI and hit enter. Provide the password. Once the password has been entered, it will get the latest version of the Angular CLI. Looks like the fetch has started. This fetch may take a minute or two depending on your internet speed, and looks like Angular CLI has been installed. Let's confirm on that. And yes, as you can see, Angular CLI version 11.02 has been installed on my system. That's it for this video.